Seal patch edges completely to stop water from re-entering the repaired area. Start by removing any loose material and dry the surface completely using a clean rag and, if available, a heat gun on low to drive out trapped moisture. Use a hydrophobic patch product designed for the substrate you are repairing, such as a polymer-modified cement for masonry or a polyurethane sealant for flexible joints, and follow the manufacturer cure times exactly to achieve full strength. When applying the patch, feather the edges so the repair blends smoothly into the surrounding surface, and then immediately apply a dedicated edge sealant over the transition to create a continuous waterproof line. Create or restore a slope away from the patch by adding a thin mortar or shim layer so water does not pond against the repair, aiming for at least a 1/4 inch drop per foot where feasible. For horizontal surfaces, consider a breathable waterproofing membrane under any new surface finish to shed water while allowing trapped vapor to escape. Always test a small area first and allow a full cure, then simulate a light water run to confirm the seal. If any seepage appears, rework the edge seal as soon as possible. Common problems include incomplete edge sealing that lets capillary action draw moisture back under the patch, which is fixed by removing a small perimeter of material and reapplying a continuous bead of compatible sealant tightened into the joint. Another frequent issue is using a patch material that is not hydrophobic or compatible with the substrate, causing the repair to absorb water and fail. Prevent this by selecting products labeled for exterior waterproof repairs and asking suppliers for substrate compatibility guidance. A third concern is flat surfaces that allow ponding and prolonged exposure, so reprofile the surface to shed water and add a protective membrane or coating to defend the repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to list their services to find work. We also host a discussion community where members share real project experiences and practical tips related to waterproofing repairs and other home improvement topics.